What if I told you that crushing a single wasp could accidentally summon an entire swarm? It sounds like something straight out of a horror movie, but it's actually based on real insect behavior. One quick slap, one tiny mistake, and suddenly dozens of angry wasps know exactly where you are. But that's only the beginning. By the end of this video, you'll discover why crushing a wasp might be the worst thing you can do, and the final fact is so disturbing that many people don't believe it until they see it happen. 1. The hidden alarm signal. Have you ever wondered why one wasp suddenly turns into 10? Here's the shocking reason. When many wasps are crushed, they release special chemicals called alarm pheromones. Instead of warning other wasps to stay away, these chemicals tell nearby wasps to attack. Imagine dropping an emergency flare in the middle of a battlefield. That's basically what happens. Researchers have observed colonies becoming far more aggressive after detecting these chemical signals, so that satisfying slap might actually make the situation much worse. 2. They can recognize the threat. Here's something even stranger. Wasps don't just react randomly. Many species can identify where the danger came from. If you crush one near its nest, nearby workers often fly directly toward the source. It's not revenge, it's colony defense. For them, every intruder could be a predator trying to destroy their home. That means you may unknowingly become the target. 3. They're smarter than you think. Most people assume wasps are just angry insects. But scientists have discovered something surprising. Some wasps can recognize faces in experiments. Certain paper wasps learn to distinguish one facial pattern from another. That's a skill once believed to belong mostly to humans and a few mammals. Their tiny brains are far more capable than they look. Pretty impressive and slightly terrifying. Before we continue, you might think avoiding a sting is as simple as running away. But stay until the end, because the last fact explains why even escaping isn't always enough, and it's one of the creepiest survival strategies in the insect world. 4. The smell that attracts more wasps. Here's something almost nobody realizes. Even after the wasp is gone, its scent can remain for several minutes. That lingering alarm pheromone may continue attracting nearby colony members. So if multiple wasps suddenly appear, they may not have seen you at all. They're simply following the invisible chemical trail. 5. Not every wasp can sting. Here's a surprising twist. Not all wasps can sting. Only females possess the modified egg-laying organ that functions as a stinger. Male wasps may look intimidating, but they cannot sting people. Unfortunately, when you're surrounded by buzzing insects, it's almost impossible to tell which is which. 6. One sting can trigger many more. Think one sting is bad? It can actually lead to more. The alarm chemicals released during an attack can encourage nearby wasps to join in. It's why disturbing a nest often results in repeated stings instead of just one. For the colony, teamwork dramatically increases the chance of driving away predators. 7. The fastest way to escape. If a wasp starts chasing you, swatting wildly usually isn't the best option. Instead, calmly move away from the area as quickly as you safely can. The farther you get from the nest or alarm scent, the less interested the wasps usually become. Many attacks end simply because the perceived threat leaves their territory. The most disturbing truth. Ready for the creepiest fact? When a wasp colony believes its nest is under attack, workers may continue defending the area even after the original threat has disappeared. Some species remain highly alert for a period after the disturbance, making the area risky to approach again too soon. So crushing one wasp doesn't just affect that single insect, it can temporarily change the behavior of the entire colony. A tiny action can trigger a massive defensive response. That's why experts generally recommend avoiding crushing wasps whenever possible and instead leaving the area or having nests removed safely if necessary. Nature is full of tiny creatures with incredible survival strategies, and wasps may be far more intelligent and more coordinated than most people realize. So, which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more unbelievable facts from the natural world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.